Hello, my fellow foxes, hedgehogs, pandas, wolves, unicorns, veterans, and whatever you want to call yourself. I was running out of time. It is I, JTheFox115, and sorry about this looking like other crap, because for some reason my tablet is being a big pile of crap, which I'm still releasing. So, I just, whatever. Anyway, I just do a friggin' speed run of this special ops mission MW2. You know, I'm bored. I'm sorry I haven't been posting videos lately. I did tell a couple people I was gonna do a vlog once I get like GTA 5 and a couple stuff, or like a new PlayStation 3, because I have a friggin' Xbox, and my Xbox being either crap. Long story. It all started when time there. Get ready to it, but sorry about that. It just all started when I tried trading my Xbox for a PlayStation 3. They were only gonna give me 104 for everything I had. I know, utter bull crap. So, without further ado, pick up a G18, pick up a striker. Let's do it! Time start now! Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Oh god! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I'm dead! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Yep, I got it. Maybe the drop wasn't a good idea. I think I have a better idea. No, not necessarily. I have to spec a back. That's the action. That's what she said. Stop. Open him! Alright, I'm gonna kill them. Get him away! Oh, I beat up that dog, holy crap! Woo! 20 seconds! Woo! That was awesome! 20.4 seconds. That was awesome. Like, rate, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. And also if you're a furry, if you're a pony, may God have mercy on your soul, JK. And if you're a spongy, I don't know what to tell you, but anyway, that's it. But I don't know how to end the video. Oh god. Yeah. This has been JTheFox115, and I will see you guys next time. That's it.